Imagine you're trying to automate a process in R where you need to pass assigned variables to a function for calculations, but you keep running into errors. The problem stems from wanting to use these variables in the svyby function from the survey package to obtain estimates for different combinations of variables read from a CSV file. You've tried various methods, but nothing seems to work smoothly, causing frustration and confusion in finding a solution to this problem. The solution to your dilemma lies in properly handling the formulas within the function. By ensuring that you use the as.formula function correctly for both the outcome variable and the grouping variable, you can successfully pass the assigned variables and execute the svyby function as intended. This revised approach allows you to dynamically incorporate the variables analysis in demo into the function for generating estimates across different categories, providing the desired results without encountering any errors. In summary, by understanding the importance of utilizing the as.formula function effectively in structuring the function with the required variables, you can overcome the challenges faced in passing assigned variables to the svyby function for automated calculations in R. With this solution in hand, you can now efficiently obtain estimates for various combinations of variables, streamlining your data analysis process and enhancing your workflow. Good luck with your future scripting endeavors, and remember to subscribe, like, and leave a clever comment below for more engaging content and helpful tips.